Ever wondered how a blender, vacuum cleaner, or hairdryer works? What's the common element that powers these diverse appliances? Well, the secret lies in a small, versatile component that's as universal as its name suggests. Yes, we're talking about universal motors. These intriguing devices are the hidden heroes behind many of our everyday gadgets, making our lives easier and more efficient. So, sit back, relax, and let's embark on a journey to uncover the fascinating world of universal motors. It's the universal motor that adds the magic touch to these appliances. Plunge into the world of universal motors, where versatility meets efficiency. At its core, a universal motor is a fascinating piece of engineering. It's a type of electric motor that can operate on either alternating current or direct current power. This adaptability makes it a go-to choice for many applications. Now, let's break down how it works. A universal motor consists of an armature, a commutator, brushes, and a field magnet. When power is supplied, the field magnet and the armature generate magnetic fields. These fields interact, creating a force that spins the armature. This spinning is what drives the motor. But did you ever wonder what sets a universal motor apart? It's its ability to work with both AC and DC power. This is possible because the current in both the armature and the field coils reverses at the same time, maintaining the direction of the magnetic field, and thus the direction of rotation. Another key feature of the universal motor is its speed control. The speed of a universal motor can be easily controlled by adjusting the flow of current. Less current means less speed, while more current translates to more speed. So, in essence, a universal motor is a small power pack with a significant punch. It's a versatile, efficient machine that's found in many of the devices we use every day. Now that we've unraveled the mystery of universal motors, what makes them stand out? Well, there are a few key features that make these motors truly universal. First up, we have high speed. These motors can run at extremely high speeds even when under a minimal load. This makes them ideal for tools and appliances that require rapid rotations, like blenders and drills. Next, we have compact size. Universal motors are known for their small, lightweight designs, which makes them perfect for portable or handheld devices. Their compactness allows them to be used in a wide range of applications without adding unnecessary bulk. Lastly, we have high starting torque. This characteristic enables a universal motor to kick-start with a high level of force, even when it's starting from a standstill. This makes them suitable for appliances that need a strong initial push, like washing machines or power saws. These features make the universal motor the go-to choice for many appliances. Universal motors are everywhere, but what roles do they play in our daily lives? Let's take a moment to appreciate the unsung heroes of our modern existence. Universal motors. They're the beating hearts inside many of our household appliances. Take, for instance, the morning ritual of brewing coffee. The grinder that turns your favorite beans into the perfect brew is powered by a universal motor. Now think about your vacuum cleaner. It's the universal motor inside that sucks up the dust and debris, making your home spick and span. And when you're toiling away at your desk late into the night, it's a universal motor that's lighting up your study lamp. From your kitchen blender to your electric toothbrush, universal motors are working tirelessly behind the scenes, making our lives easier and more convenient. They're reliable, efficient, and versatile, the perfect partners for a wide range of appliances. From the morning coffee grind to the late-night study lamp, universal motors are the silent partners in our daily routines. Universal motors, small but mighty, silent but impactful. As we've explored in the previous scenes, universal motors are indeed a marvel of engineering. Their unique ability to operate on either AC or DC power supply sets them apart from other motors. Compact in size but powerful in performance, they are the hidden heroes behind many everyday appliances. We've delved into their key characteristics such as high speed, high starting torque, and their ability to work under varying voltages. These traits make them the perfect fit for devices like blenders, vacuum cleaners, and power tools, where high speed and power are required in a compact design. So, the next time you whip up a smoothie or clean your living room, take a moment to appreciate the universal motor. It might be small and silent, but it's making a big impact. After all, big things often come in small packages. Remember, understanding and appreciating engineering is a step towards a more informed world. Thank you, fantastic viewers, for being a part of the Fix Flare Tech community. Your support means the world to us. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll unravel another fascinating tech topic. Until then, keep exploring, keep learning, and I'll catch you in the next one. This is MQ Joshi, signing off from Fix Flare Tech. See you soon.